Hello, welcome back again to my channel, Susan Goats TV. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So I welcome you back again to my channel, Susan Goat. So in today's video, I'm going to be using just one Brazilian wool to create this crisscross beautiful hairstyle. So guys, keep watching guys and see how we style this hair first. So and only as you are listening to the way I'm saying it, and please also be watching the way I am making it so you can understand it more better. So what I did, I part the hair from the I parted two. So I'm going to be using 4 strands of wool, and the way I part it to, I'll make one from this side, make one from this side. So I will just, like when I part the third one, just like this, I will take it to the other side. You know, this is how I'm going to finish the hair. In case you're wondering, in case I finish make the hair till the end, how am I going to like wrap the hair? Guys, just keep watching and see how we do it. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, Susan Goat TV, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your support, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumb. So to our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. We do appreciate your support. So guys, you see, so this is how I just keep doing it, and this hairstyle is very easy. And me using 4 strands of wool, you can use 3, you can use 2, you can even use more, depends on how you want it. So at times I use 3 strands of wool, at times I use 2, at times I use 4. So but either ways it's just okay. So at the end of this hair, I just everything together, which is the both the remaining. So right there, had this, I did this one, and first the same thing I'm going to do to the front. Like I'm going to part this into altogether 6, but they're going to end up to be like 3 parts, like crisscross into, you know, when you cross 2 together they become like 1, right? So me parting it now, so I'll just do it to the end. So the oil I use, I decided not to use jam or China jam or any kind of gel on my hair. So what I use is coconut oil. Organic coconut oil is what I use for this hair. So so I decide just to use something natural for them. So this coconut oil, I made it myself. So guys, if you're still watching to this time, it means you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe if you are not subscribed. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up and tell me also what you think about this hairstyle. And also we are open to any kind of hairstyle. If you have any hair that you want me to create, just contact me. My email address is there, and just contact me, or my WhatsApp. As you go to my comment section, okay, description below, you will see my email address, you will see my WhatsApp. So you can just contact me, tell me the kind of hair you want me to create, and I'll create it. Maybe for example this hairstyle, but you want another color, just let me know, and we are open to all kinds of style. Alright guys, so this is the second part, and this is the last part, which is the front. It's the same process, but this one is a bit different. This front one is a bit different. The reason why is a bit different from the other part, because you know it's front, and it's not that the length is not like the same thing with the back or in the middle. So when you are picking a front hair, you have to be very careful, because you know water always touch the front of the hair, so you have to like don't hold it too much. If not, if you try to make everything go in the hair, she might end up having pains later. So that is why I don't hold my kids front of hair too much, because of pain, and it can also lead to hair damaging. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain.
to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. To start again. I'll see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be.
So now we are done with the hair. It is time for us to wrap it, like, we'll have to wrap the remaining parts, and yeah, have to just put them together, like try to wrap them the way it will be fine. Then I will use the remaining wool that is remaining from the tip to try to thread the hair, because if I like use another wool to start, it might look so big, and I just want her to look natural as possible, like to look on her. It's summer, so it's very hot here, so I need to like make them free. So that is why I'm just trying my best to create this for them. So, and in this summer I'll be making more of threading wool and more of like spacey hair, so that they don't end up like, okay, they want to take off the hair, or they don't get dandruff. When you sweat too much under your hair, it can lead to dandruff, can lead to the dryness of your scalp, and that can lead to dandruff. We all know that dandruff damage hair so much. So please, in case you don't know, spacey hair is very good. Although some people don't fix some product, but it is very good to make fresh hair to enter under your scalp to prevent it having dandruff. And also try and be applying oil. It's very, very important. Very important. Oil is very good. Just like every day you brush your teeth, so every day you eat, so it's also give your hair food. I know at times the things we eat can also help our hair to grow, but at least make sure you're giving your hair oil every day. That is why I made that recipe, because I had pretty oil to eat. So guys, we are done with the wrapping, so I'm going to cut out the excess, and I need some parts out of this, because that's what I'm going to use to tie it. So I'm going to break down. So the teeth. Now I'm going to like just try to like wrap it inside. So before I do it, I have to like raise the hair a little bit to have to give it space so she don't have pain. So when I'm done doing that, I just take the hair the edge of one. Okay, when I finish running it, pull the edge of one. So that's what I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Then I'll cut out